Giraffe can pay as little as $0.20 through PayPal or gift cards, but the real question is whether the earnings justify your time over 90 days. Giraffe kuwani. For this 90-day review, the useful test is simple. How Giraffe earns, what the current payout options look like, how much the app itself says you can make, and where the biggest limitations show up. Giraffe is a free rewards app from Just Dice that pays users for playing featured mobile games, completing surveys, and participating in other offers. You earn gems, then exchange those gems for rewards such as PayPal Cash and gift cards. Giraffe kuwani. The first thing to understand is that Giraffe does not pay a fixed amount for every minute you spend playing. Earnings depend on the game, your progress, available offers, and how actively you complete the requirements. Giraffe also says game rates can decrease when you repeatedly play the same game for extended periods. Giraffe konane. For earnings, Giraffe currently lists $5 to $20 per month for casual players who use the app 2 to 3 hours per week. It lists $30 to $100 or more per month for active players using it 5 or more hours per week. Those figures are company-provided expectations, not a guaranteed 90-day result. That means a realistic 90-day expectation based on those ranges is roughly $15 to $60 for casual use, or $90 to $300 or more for the active use range. Your actual result can be different because game availability and reward rates change. The payout side is one of Giraffe's stronger points. The company says the minimum cash out is $0.20 and that most PayPal payouts are processed within a few hours. Its terms also state that reward exchange rates can change, so you should check the current value before redeeming. Giraffe kuwani. There is also evidence that the experience is not perfect. Recent Trustpilot reviews include reports of fast payments, but other users mention delayed payouts, missing rewards, and problems getting support to resolve cash-out issues. So, is Giraffe still worth it in 2026? Yes, if you want small rewards from gaming time you already spend. No. If you're expecting a dependable replacement for regular income, the practical move is to track your actual earnings against your playtime for the first few sessions. If the effective return feels too low, switch games or stop using the app. Giraffe's biggest advantages are the low, $0.20 payout threshold and multiple reward options. Its biggest weaknesses are variable earnings, changing offers, and inconsistent user experiences with rewards. If this review helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest app tests.